The battle continues on the third day of the YMCA National Congress of College Students.
Commission workshops were started for the action plan preparation followed by the essay writing contest. The commission presented their action plans and the judges carefully scrutinized the action plans and gave recommendations for enhancement. Essay writing contest was conducted on theme Essence of the Wires, its reverberation of the vocalization of YMCA. Creative hands were used by different delegates in the poster-making contest with its theme, the synergy of youth empowerment. The unstoppable YMCA activities continue as the battle of the arguments and minds in the YMCA debate tournament happened. The opposition team championed the final round, headed by the leader of the opposition, Ronald Añonuevo of PUP Manila. Also, he was awarded as the best debater of the season, while Junrey Kika was chosen as the best speaker. Different cultures were showcased in the regional presentation that uplifted and highlighted the beauty of the Philippines. Lastly, various talents of young leaders were shown in the Wires Got Talent 2014, but only 3 campuses emerged on each category. Third place was Denise Garcia from Surigao del Sur State University Tandag Main Campus. Francis Angela de Chavez of Bicol University Main Campus bagged the second place, while Paulo Baloa of UE Manila won the first place in the individual category. On the group category, PUP Manila won third place, De La Salle Pag at the second spot, and FEU Manila championed the group category. The 39th YMCA NCCS activities were participated by 45 universities and colleges, which includes the students and club advisors.
From BT News Online and YMCA Media Team, Andre Manila Stars.